आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The total number of units n of a product follows the equation n is equal to 120 minus c, where c dollars is the selling price per unit. The cost to set up a manufacturing facility is $150 and the cost per unit is $5. If all units are sold, what should be the least selling price in dollars per unit to have a profit of $400? So the total cost price you could see is 5 into 120 minus c plus 150, where 120 minus c is the number of units which is being sold and 5 is the cost price per unit plus 150 is the additional manufacturing installation price. Total selling price is c, which is the selling price, into 120 minus c, which is the number of units which is sold. So on subtracting the cost price from the selling price, we get the profit. So c into 120 minus c minus 5 into 120 minus c minus 150 is equal to 400. So upon solving this, we get the equation c square plus 150 minus 115c is equal to 0. And so here let me explain you how we got this. It might become easier for you to understand once I break it down. It is c square minus 125c minus 100 minus 125c, you could say. Okay. C square minus 1, this is 125 actually, not 115. I wrote it wrong, sorry. This is 125. Yeah. So c square minus 115c minus 10c plus 150 is equal to 0. So we get this c into c minus 115 minus 10 c minus 115 simple is equal to 0. Simple indeed. Nothing else now. C minus 10 into c minus 115 is equal to 0. So we get two values, either 10 or 115, and so this 10 becomes our answer because we want the least value. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।